Hello students of Standard 2nd, welcome you all to D.A. Vimal Public School e-learning class. This is your English teacher Renuka Sachewar. So let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we are going to learn topic that is use of was and were. So let's start. Let us see some examples. Have you seen some pictures here? Okay. See, look at the pictures and make sentences to tell what the person was doing yesterday. Okay. So see the first one. A man was reading the newspaper. Okay. A man was reading the newspaper. Second is a girl was dancing yesterday. Next is a boy was climbing on ladder. A boy was climbing on ladder. The next is a girl was painting a picture. A girl was painting a picture. Next is a teacher was teaching in the class. So all these examples are belongs to past action. Okay, these persons actions has happened in the past. For example, when did you get up yesterday? When teacher asked you. Okay, so the teacher is asking about your past action, what you have done in past time. It means yesterday. Let us see some more examples. Write and understand the following passages. Okay, see the first one. The first pictures. Today it is Monday. Sheetal has come to school. All the children are sitting in the class. This is about today. Okay, whatever the information is given here about Sheetal and her school, it gives the information about today. Today it is Monday. Today it is Monday and Sheetal has come to school. All the children are sitting in the class. So this is the information which is given here. It is talking about today only. Okay, now see the next one. Yesterday it was Sunday. Yesterday it was Sunday. Sheetal had not gone to school. All the other children were also at home. Okay, these information was belong to yesterday action. This was about yesterday, what she had done on Sunday before going to school on Monday. When we are talking about Monday, it shows the present time of action which Sheetal has done along with other children. And in the second passage, with the help of this picture, you can see here. The second passage talked about the past action which we have done one day previous day. Let us see the use of was and were. Okay, was and were, these are helping verb. These are helping verb which is used to show the past action in the past tense. Okay, so when we use was and were, was is used for I, he, she, it and with one person, place or thing. Was is used for I, he, she, it and with one person, place or thing to show the past action, the action which is happened in the past time. As simultaneously, were is also used for you, we, they and with more than one person, place or thing. It is used with the plural noun and pronoun which belongs to past tense. Okay, whenever the action happened at that time, we used was and were. This is one of the helping verb in the past tense. Let us solve some examples. See the first one. Fill in the blanks using the bold words given above. See the picture and according to the picture, see these sentences. Okay. Yesterday it was raining. Yesterday it was raining. We had no umbrella. We had no umbrella. We all were wet. And see the second one. Today it is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. My mother has made cold coffee for us. My mother has made cold coffee for us. We all are playing chess. Okay, in the first table, in the first box, which action is explaining here? Yes, the past action. What we have done yesterday in the past time. So it was raining and we had no umbrella. That's why we were wet. And in the second box, in the second picture, the present action is explaining here. Okay, today it is a sunny day. Okay, we are talking about present time. So these are the helping of present tense. And the first one, these are the helping of past tense. Okay, when the action had happened at that time, we use was, had, were. And in the present time, we use is, has, and are. I hope everybody understood the concept of use of was and were. One more time I am repeating, dear students, was and were, this is helping verb of past tense and these are used in past action. Okay, to show the past action. Was is used with singular noun and pronoun and were is used with plural noun and pronoun. So on basis of this topic, let's solve some question. Okay, this is your assignment. This is your homework. You have to do it individually on basis of this video. So let's see. Use one of these to fill in the blanks. Okay, this is your 8 box. Choose correct word from 8 box and write in the sentence. Fill in the blank. See the first one. I blank 6 years old. Okay, what will it come? Was, were, had. Okay, because I, it is a showing singular person. So here you will use was. I was 6 years old. Okay. See the third one. These flowers blank very pretty. Okay, so your noun is plural. These flowers. Okay, it is not talking about flower. It is talking about flowers. Okay, more than one object or one thing. So this is plural past action. So you will use here were. These flowers were very pretty. These flowers were very pretty. Okay, see the second one. Ritu blank playing basketball. Ritu blank playing basketball. Okay, so Ritu, it is a one person. It is a one person. So what you will use here? You will use here was. Ritu was playing basketball. Ritu was playing basketball. In this way, you have to solve all the sentences, all the questions in your notebook. Here is some more examples for you, okay, on basis of that same topic. So you will use here was, were and had. In the same way as we have discussed. Thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in our next session. Till then, bye bye.